Good day. My name is Jacobus Meintjes. I'm from South Africa. I am 50 years old. I am currently looking for farm work in America. I have experience in operating various farm equipments, including the Ford tractor 4610, 8210, 5000, the New Holland 395 with the GPSs. I have a valid PDP with a code 10 driver license, and I can also drive the Fuso FJ110 250 current truck as well. I can operate a forklift like the TCM and the Toyota 25 forklifts. I have experience in cultivating the tillage, plowing, planting and fertilizing crops. I also have experience with cattle and dairy farming, including feeding, milking, manure management and caring for calves and animal health. I am a hands-on person and have experience in basic electrical, plumbing, building and maintenance, roofing, ceiling, anything what needs to be fixed, I can do that. I am able to work with hand tools such as grinders, electrical drills, welders, compactors, the different types of saws, skill saw, chainsaws, etc. I can do anything I set my mind to, and I am keen on learning. I am the type of person that would walk an extra mile and will be an asset for any farmer. I am fit and in good health. I am excited to learn new ways of farming, and I want to grab the opportunity and privilege to work on a farm in America. Thank you for taking the time to look at my application and my CV. Have a good day.